Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today I've got the new Nintendo Switch Pokemon edition. So this is the Let's Go Pikachu version, but it comes in the Let's Go Eevee version as well, as you can see. And this one does include the Pokeball Plus as well, so that's very nice. So this one goes for, I think, £400 on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link in the description, guys, if you want to check it out. But yeah, as you can see, this is the box itself. It's a fully themed Nintendo Switch, and most of them are just like a bit themed, but this one is proper done. So the box itself, let's look at the back. We've just got Pikachu and Eevee, so that's very nice. But yeah, let's take this out. So yeah guys, let's open it up and see what we get inside. Inside you've got the Switch unit itself. Let's put to the side for a bit. We've got the game controllers. So we've got the Pikachu yellow here, so that's a nice yellow, I have to say that. That is very nice. Put that to the side. And then we've got the Eevee as well. This is the Eevee color. As you can see, that is nice as well. Looks really good, I have to admit that. Let's put that to the side as well. Let's see what else we get inside. So we've got controller, so if you want to hook that up to the controllers you can do that, so these will just slide in. But yeah, let's put that to the side as well for now. We've got the straps as well. We've got both straps. You just pull everything out first. Got both straps here, so it comes one for the Pikachu one and one for the Eevee one, so that's nice. I really like the colors they have done. Really matches the Pikachu and Eevee color, so that's very great. Let's put that to the side as well. And we've got the Pokeball itself, so let's take that out. So you can play the game using this ball as well to catch and everything. Oops, that's sliding up, I don't want to do that. But yeah, let's put that to the side as well. And inside we've got a HDMI cable. It's very nice for them to include one of those. We've got the power brick itself, that's extremely huge, and it's USB-C, so that's extremely nice to see that. And we've got booklet, nobody cares about that. And then we've got the main unit itself. So this is the Switch docking station. As you can see, voila. Okay, that's so nice. And the back is nothing, so you just got Eevee and Pikachu at the front, which is very nice. So let's get rid of this box for a second. So yeah, let's have a look at the main unit itself. Just take this out of the box packaging. So yeah, as you can see guys, it is just a normal Switch, nothing else. But on the back you've got all these Pokemons here. As you can see, we've got loads Pikachu and Eevees just hopping around everywhere. We've got Pokeball, so that's very nice. I really like this. So nice. So yeah guys, so we've got the two controllers itself. As you can see, one is the Pikachu and one is the Eevee version. So that's very nice. And you can see the colors are very nicely matched. So that's nice. So let's put these one on here. So this is the Pikachu one. So that's the plus sign, and these will just slide in like that. And you can just use the controller like this to play, and you can put into the landscape version if you're playing 2 players. Got the controls here, that's very nice. Let's do the same for this one, for the Eevee. Just goes in here, slides in. It's very nice, as you can see. Really nice, but you can take these out and switch them around as well. Let's do that. That's the lock switch, so let's take the lock out so we can take that out. And we can put on this to the Eevee as well. So this is how it's really meant to be. So we've got the Eevee color, and you've got the Pikachu one as well. So that is so nice. Like the normal ones you get are just black, or you can get the neon red and neon blue, but these ones are just really nice. So if you want to play 2 players, you're just going to play like this. So that's extremely nice. So let's take them out. Take that out, you just pull the switch. See here, I just like how you just switch everything on and off. or you can put it into the controller if you want to play it like that, which is another great feature of the Nintendo Switch. You just got so many features, there's so many ways to play games, but that's really nice. And let's now just put them into the Switch itself, so there's no lock button here, so they just slide off. Let's just slide off. And let's put that onto the Switch itself. As you can see, oh, that's just nice. The back, everything is just so nice. I have to just say, it's just really nice. I just like the way it's done and everything. And then you've got this docking station as well. You can just dock it in like that, and then you can just play on your TV, which is one of the greatest features about the Switch. You can just switch it into the dock and you're playing on your big screen, or take it into portable mode and just carry on playing, which is so really nice. But yeah, let's power this on. That's the power button there. So you've got the power button, you've got your volume rocker, you've got a fan, you've got a game slot, so where you insert the games in here, and you've got your aux cables if you want to connect some headphones. On the bottom you just got your USB, and you've got these little alignments to connect to the dock. In the back you've got your speakers as well, and you've got your little kickstand, so if you want to put it into desk mode you can do that, which is nice. So it's powering on, it's telling me to connect, so let's do that properly. It's making the sound, just gonna wait. Let's put the dock and it's powering on. Let's turn the volume a bit down, and it's telling me to pick the language, so I'm gonna go for English in Europe. Just hit next. So it's searching for network, so I'm going to connect this to the internet quickly. Let's see if I can find one. Just give me 1 second, and now I'm going to connect that. So remember guys, the Switch is touchscreen as well, so you can use the touchscreen as well to control and stuff like that, which is nice. So let's get connected. Yes, I'm in London. I'll do that later. And telling me how to pull them off. So there's a button here to pull them off, to detach the Joycon, so that's good. Want to make sure you don't do anything else. It's actually asking me to do that. So I know how to do it so I don't damage it. And it's telling me how I can play like that. So I want me to use the left controller. I'll just do that next. How to do in desk mode, as I'm telling you. If you want to play in desk mode, I'm just going to put the joystick back in. As you can see, when I'm connecting them back in, it's actually giving me that indicator there. Some icon and stuff like that. So I hit next. And I'm just going to see which one's available. I'll just go for, I don't know, none of them are nice. I'll just pick this one for now. Hit OK. It's going to be telling me the name, so I'm going to put my name on here. Just going to put my full name. So I've put my name in, I'm just going to hit OK. So I haven't had a Nintendo Switch or a Nintendo account, so I'm going to create one. So it's preparing for that. It's telling me that I need to be updated, required, so I need to do that as well. So I'll just do that later. I'll add a user later. You can see you got loads of safety environments if you chill, but I have no kids, anything like that, so I'm not going to do that. And your setup is completed now. So that's nice, and you can see I've already got Let's Go Pikachu already pre-installed, so that's nice, but I've got nothing else. As you can see guys, it's basically the same Nintendo Switch as the previous version, but it's just a themed version, so you got all the same features and stuff like that, which I'm going to go over later in the video. Might have some gameplay of Pikachu Go if you want to watch that. If you do want to watch some gameplay, so do let me know and I'll play some games and show you guys as well. Yeah guys, this was just a quick unboxing and first look of the Let's Go Pikachu edition of the Nintendo Switch. Really just so nice. The design is just well done by Nintendo. I have to give them just, the design is just so good. Nintendo have done a really great job compared to the other limited edition. They're not put that much effort from the design and everything, just to the tiny details of the colors. It is just so nice, I have to say that. And you've got the Pikachu ball as well, which I'm gonna show in another video how to do everything. But yeah guys, this was just my first unboxing and quick look of the Nintendo Switch Pikachu Go Edition. Let me know if you other stuff you want to see about the Nintendo Switch in the comments. But yeah guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you on the next one guys. Take care.